Today I'm going to be trying to do an exhaust wrap on my car. So I've never done anything like this before, but I've got the headers off and I've given them a bit of a clean. They were all muddy and stuff on them, so I've given them a bit of a clean. So now I'm going to see how it goes. So as you can see, guys, I've got it all finished. It isn't the nicest, but you know, it was getting the engine bay real hot. I haven't really figured out how to get those locking ties properly tight. The last one I did was getting better, which is that one there. That one's nice and tight. That one there, I just put a big hose clamp on it, because why not? That's out of the way, you're not going to see it. And that does a lot better job. And so, my biggest problem was trying to figure out where to start and finish. And so, I started by doing this one here, I think. And then I went down from that down to the bottom there, and it stops just there, because I wanted to try and get around this piece so I can put my little badge on, and O2 sensor hole there. And then I did a little short one just from here down to the junction there, and then I came from the top here down to the back of it. Pretty big pipe for just a 1.6 litre, but you know. And then yeah, looks all good. Time to reinstall it. Just a few tips if you're doing it. Soak it in water, unless it's like titanium, then you don't have to really do that. Soaking it in water will make it stretch a bit better, so when you wrap it on and it dries, it'll be a lot tighter. And so I've done that. I'd made the mistake of starting doing the job without gloves, and then just fiberglass doesn't help at all. So I just went and put some just like latex stuff type gloves on, and made it a lot more easy to get it done.